Hello and welcome to this KivyMD tutorial on color definition. In this tutorial, we will learn about the different ways to define colors in KivyMD and how we can use them to enhance the user interface of our application. KivyMD provides a variety of ways to define colors for the widgets in our application. Let's take a look at them. First one is hexadecimal notation. This is the most common way to define colors. We can specify the colors using a hexadecimal notation that consists of 6 digits representing the amount of red, green, and blue in the color. For example, has FF0000 represents pure red. Second one is RGB notation. Another way to define a color is by specifying its red, green, and blue components in decimal notation. For example, 25500 represents pure red. And third one is RGBA notation. This is similar to RGB notation but includes an additional alpha component that specifies the opacity of the color. For example, 25500 0.5 represents a translucent red. And fourth one is predefined colors. KivyMD provides a set of predefined colors that we can use directly. For example, red represents the color red. Now let's see an example of how we can use these color definitions in our KivyMD application. We will create a simple program that displays a button with a red color background using each of the color definitions we just learned. Let's get started. First, let's import the required modules. Next, let's create a class named color definitions that inherits from the MD app class. Define the window size. Next, create a button with a red background using hexadecimal. Let's set the position of the button. Now copy this code and paste it here. And change the comment and change the color. Again, paste the code here, and we have forgotten to see. Add the buttons to a layout between them. Return the layout as the root reset. Now run the app. We have some error. Let's see where is the error we are facing. Okay. Now let's run this code. In the build method, we define the window size and create 4 buttons with different color definitions. We then add the buttons to a vertical box layout and return it to the root widget. Finally, we run our app. You should see a window with 4 buttons, each with a red background using a different color definition. That's it for this tutorial on color definitions in KivyMD. Hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.